Most drivers treat dashboard warning lights like, well, background noise. A small icon lights up, the car still drives, so they just keep going. That single decision is actually why thousands of engines, transmissions, and braking systems are destroyed every single day. You know, ignoring those little lights might seem harmless at first, but the truth is, it can lead to some really serious problems down the road. What starts as a tiny warning can quickly turn into a huge, expensive repair if you're not careful. Some warning lights are, like, suggestions. These are not. These 5 dashboard warning lights mean immediate action, and ignoring even one of them can turn a minor issue into a total mechanical failure. The first and most dangerous warning light is the oil pressure warning. This is not an oil change reminder. It means your engine is not receiving proper lubrication. When oil pressure drops, metal components begin grinding against each other instantly. Within seconds, camshafts, crank, bearings, and turbochargers can suffer irreversible damage. If this light appears, shut the engine off immediately. Do not drive. Even just 1 extra minute can cost you a full engine replacement. The second warning light that destroys cars is the engine temperature warning. Overheating doesn't just cause inconvenience, it warps cylinder heads, blows head gaskets, cracks engine blocks, and permanently weakens internal components. Many drivers think they can make it home. That mindset is why engines fail. If this light comes on, pull over safely, shut the engine off, and allow it to cool. Driving while overheating is one of the fastest ways to kill an engine. The third warning light most drivers underestimate is the brake system warning light. This does not only indicate worn brake pads, it can signal brake fluid loss, hydraulic failure, or electronic brake malfunction. Continuing to drive puts you one panic stop away from total brake failure. If this light appears, stop driving and have the system inspected immediately. Brakes don't fail slowly, they fail all at once. The fourth warning light that silently destroys cars is the battery or charging system warning. Many drivers assume this is just a weak battery. In reality, it often means your alternator has stopped charging. When that happens, your car is running purely on stored battery power. Once depleted, critical systems like fuel injection, ignition, and power steering shut down without warning. This can leave you stranded in traffic or damage sensitive electronics. Address this light immediately before complete electrical failure occurs. Okay, so the fifth and final warning light is the flashing check engine light. A solid check engine light just means you should schedule a diagnosis, but a flashing one, that means active engine damage is happening right now. Usually this points to severe misfires that are dumping raw fuel into the exhaust, which can overheat and destroy your catalytic converter. And catalytic converters, well, they're really expensive. Plus, if you let those misfires go on, you could end up damaging pistons, valves, and cylinder walls. So, if your check engine light is flashing, you need to reduce your speed right away and stop driving as soon as it's safe. Here's what makes these warning lights so dangerous. Modern cars are designed to keep driving even while damaging themselves. You may not hear noise, you may not feel vibration, but honestly, damage is happening internally at a microscopic level until it becomes catastrophic. Another critical mistake drivers make is restarting the car repeatedly. If a warning light turns on, shutting the car off and restarting does not fix the problem. In many cases, it actually makes things worse by repeating the damage cycle. Ignoring these lights doesn't just destroy cars, it destroys resale value. Diagnostic history is stored in vehicle computers, and unresolved warning events are often visible to technicians and buyers later. The smartest drivers treat warning lights like emergency signals, not suggestions. Immediate action saves engines, transmissions, braking systems, and thousands of dollars in repairs. Your dashboard is not there to scare you. It's there to protect your car before damage becomes irreversible. The problem isn't the warning lights, it's drivers who ignore them. If you want your car to last longer, cost less, and never leave you stranded, respect these warnings the moment they appear. Subscribe to Gear Specs for real-world car knowledge that saves engines, saves money, and keeps you on the road longer.